In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Vervoort Volatility Bands Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator, how to add it to any chart, and how to access the settings so you can customize it for your own trading style. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is up, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the time frame and layout options. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window pops up, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any indicator without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search bar so it's active and ready for typing. Now, start typing Vervoort Volatility Bands into the search bar. You don't have to type it perfectly from the start. TradingView will begin suggesting indicators as you go. Once you see Vervoort Volatility Bands appear in the list of results, click on it one time. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart, usually overlaying the price candles. After it appears on your chart, you'll want to adjust it so it matches your preferences. To do that, move your cursor over the indicator's name on the chart or in the data box that shows the active indicators. You should see a small gear or settings icon next to the name. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel for Vervoort Volatility Bands. Inside the settings, you can fine-tune how the bands behave and how they look. This is where you can adjust inputs like length or multipliers depending on what the script offers. And you can also change the colors and line styles to make the bands stand out clearly against your candles. Take a moment to tweak these options so the indicator is easy on your eyes and fits your chart theme. You can always come back later and adjust them as your strategy evolves. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features, make sure to use the sign up link in my description. That way you can unlock additional tools, more indicators per chart, and a smoother overall experience. That's all you need to quickly add and set up the Vervoort Volatility Bands indicator in TradingView Pro.